Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the ResampleDmo.DLL file is not found or is missing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Reinstalling the program may fix this problem. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in CMD, best match should say command prompt, go ahead and right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And into this command line window, I'm going to have a couple different commands in the description of my video. I want you to copy the first one. It's going to be an SFC scan, so go ahead and copy that and go up the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit, and then paste it in. Hit enter to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and copy the second command. I'm going to in the description of the video and go ahead and paste it in the same way we did the first one and hit enter. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. So there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to resolve your issue. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.